He's a jerk, he's a G, he's a motherfucking fool. He's an east sider rider from the old school. That means that my jeans don't crease like yours. That means that my horse won't be like yours. But hey, we play, we say, replay, and then you watch it again just to see what I say and how I'm running LA while banned from the UK, and how these niggas in group pays love that nigga Snoop at. Hooray, touche, you gay, I say, I know, so you wanna keep that shit on the low. Oh no, homo, slow-mo, so fast, so quick, so slick with this gangster shit. 2 shots, 2 Glocks, 2 hoes, do not get caught slipping, cause you will get your whole shit knocked. I've been around the block and back, I learned how to rock a sack, I bag it up and then I make my motherfucking money back. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player.
FBI, the most high, fly, Robin fly, keep a close eye on Johnny 5, I'll be coming live from New York, it's Saturday night. So it's only right I step to the phony type. See him in the party acting hard, but they hardly a threat to the vet. Once you start, me no stopping. No part, me no copping. A plea, I beat you in the head, 3rd degree. What's the science? The 411 can't do me nothing. Still ghetto, I rhyme ghetto. My brother's ghetto, never say die and never settle for anything less than what the devil possessed. I'm like MOP to the death. Now who is Johnny Blaze to the death?
I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player.
Yeah, baby, shit's about to jump off. Looking for the bus, bringing my man from up north. For like 3 years when he got knocked, since he got caught, pumped up like 5 new blocks, hold it down for. Kept a nigga straight with money on the books. It ain't bitches, it's crooks who look out for other crooks. Took him shopping, money in his pocket, he straight. Dropped them off at the wife crib after we ate. Out of state was the next move for me. Had to make that nigga chill for at least 2 to 3 months, cause once it's on, he didn't care. It's like, slow down, baby, the money ain't going nowhere. Keep in touch though, to show how much your ass is with it. The dough flow is there, and in a minute you can get it. You got to watch a nigga just coming home in his game, cause on the low he may be trying to go against the grain.
I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player. I guess you could say I'm a player, cause I got bitches everywhere. Player, you can't pay her, cause if you pay her, you're no player.
Red man, my nigga, who else? A double OG in the game with 2 G's on the belt. The flows I create, it'll drown Mike Phelps. It's no sleeping here, I'm anti-NyQuil. Look at this nigga here, I control the stage, boy, I do it like Moses. I part niggas' waves and white boys rave. They know I'm pure death on iTunes, and they can choose 6 million ways. I want Lay's chips, that old folks money, you know, getting paid but unemployed like Tommy.